Hey guys, I wanted to welcome you to my Algebra 2 class this year and just kind of go over a few things as we get started. So my name is Miss Lily. I will be here to help you if you have questions, and all you have to do is reach out, email me, and let me know. All right, so on your Canvas page, you're going to see your courses. Right now this is unpublished because school has not started yet, but it will be up here and it will be published, and you will click on your Algebra 2 page to get started. But down the side here, a couple things. If you have more than one course, you'll be able to click on courses and see those. The big thing I want you to see is your inbox. If you want to get in touch with me, you can message me through Canvas. You can also email me, but the inbox here is a great quick way to get in touch with me. So if you send me a message, I will respond to you. All right, so first thing you're going to see is the home page. And it has the information here about my office hours. So if you want to get a hold of me, this is the email that you can reach out to. And underneath that is the pacing guide for the year. So you can see that we're going to do Algebra 2 is a year-long course. And these are suggested due dates, and we're going to talk about that as we go. All right, so anytime you enter your course, you want to click on modules. You always want to go to modules. And yours is actually going to look just a little bit different than mine. So let me click on student view here. So you're not going to have all the buttons down through here. You're just going to have modules and grades. And that's all that you really need to keep track of. So if you click on modules, that's how you're going to get started. And the first thing you're going to see is a welcome module. So this again will have teacher contact information. That will be my contact information. It's going to have the syllabus for the course, student helpline, state standards, and pacing guide. So that's information if you need to look through that. Good thing to get started. All right, academic integrity. So you need to make sure that you do this. This will be the first thing that is due in this class. And it's marked for August the 20th. So that'll be the first week of school. That gives you plenty of time to do that. All right. After that, these are kind of grayed out right now. You can see that they're locked, but they will be open. You will start in each module, and you would start at the top, and then you will go through these in order. All right. So it's important in math to go through things in sequential order. So make sure that you do that. And even though these have due dates, they're just kind of a way to keep you on track. You can work at your own pace. So if you finish and you want to just keep moving, the quicker you get finished, the quicker you're done. So all of these modules will be open when school starts, and you can click through those and you can see all the way down through to the end of the course. And that's what you have to finish by next May. So again, most important thing is just to work in order, start at the top, and then just work your way down. Another thing I want to touch on is you can do things more than once. So let me leave student view here. All right, so as I'm clicking on something, I want to show you that you do have multiple attempts. A lot of times you're going to have 2 or 3 attempts. So if you don't do well on this assignment, then you should, maybe ask for help and then retake it. So that way you can get the highest score possible and you're learning the material as you go. So it's already set for 3 attempts and it's going to keep your highest score. So be aware, these due dates are important for you to keep track and stay on track of your assignments, but they should also give you plenty of time to go back and resubmit things if you want a better grade. And the other thing you're going to see is grades. Right now there's no grades in the course, but if you click on grades, then that's going to show you your grades for this class. And I hope you have a great semester. If you have any questions, just let me know.